Good morning, dear. Today we are going to start a new chapter that is life in the desert. In chapter 9, dear, we have discussed life in the temperate grassland. For life in the temperate grassland, we have discussed about the different temperate grassland, prairies, and wild grassland. In this chapter, we will discuss about the life in desert. What type of life in desert, which different variety or category of the desert, climatic condition of the desert climate, and we'll discuss the vegetations are found in desert. So when a desert word come, so in our mind which type of pictures imagination is started, mostly like a sand dunes or maybe like हमारे माइंड में सैंड ड्यून्स आना स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं डेजर्ट सैंडी एरिया सैंड्स आना स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं व्हेन अ डेजर्ट वर्ड कम व्हेन अ डेजर्ट कम तो विच टाइप ऑफ स्कैंटी वेजिटेशन due to the less rainfall because desert receive the mostly 50 centimeter rainfall in average, so vegetations are not grow in that area, so scanty vegetations are found where the such in the form of oasis. So when a desert word come to such type of imagination come in our mind. In this chapter we discuss about the two types of desert. One is the hot desert and cold desert. In hot desert we will case study the Sahara desert. Sahara desert की हम case study करेंगे. And another one cold desert we will discuss about the Ladakh desert, cold desert. Which area is the cold? Temperature in minus mostly in minus. Scanty vegetations are found. So first we are going to start at Sahara desert. Sahara desert, you know, located in Africa continent, and that part is Sahara desert located in northern Africa, and Sahara desert size is, you know, mostly Sahara desert extend 8.54 million square kilometers. So Sahara desert is extent is 8.54 million स्क्वायर किलोमीटर. जो सारा डेजर्ट की साइज है 8.54 मिलियन. और यू नो इफ यू कंपेयर द सारा डेजर्ट थ्रू आवर कंट्री इंडिया, तो इंडिया की साइज है 3.28 मिलियन स्क्वायर किलोमीटर. इंडिया साइज 3.28, यानी वी कैन से इन अदर वर्ड्स कि इंडिया का 3 टाइम्स अप्रोक्सीमेटली 3 टाइम्स ज़्यादा जो एरिया है वो सारा डेजर्ट ने कवर कर रखा है. तो सारा डेजर्ट 8.54 मिलियन स्क्वायर किलोमीटर तक फैला हुआ है. मोस्टली 11 कंट्रीज आर इंक्लूड इन सारा डेजर्ट. 11 countries join, not a single country, not a state. 11 countries come under the Sahara Desert, and Sahara Desert located in northern Africa. And in this desert, a river flow, that is the Nile River, and mostly desert part, some plateau part also found in that area. Rocky surface area, rocky part also found. Do you know desert is Sahara desert not a completed or maybe the expand of the sand dunes only. ऐसा नहीं है सारा डेजर्ट पे ओनली सैंड ड्यून्स ही देखने को मिलेंगे. सम प्लेटो पार्ट आल्सो फाउंड इन सारा डेजर्ट. रॉकी सरफेस आल्सो फाउंड. तो यू नो एवरेज हाइट ऑफ द सारा डेजर्ट और रॉकी सरफेस मोस्टली 2500 मीटर हाइट, यानी 2500 मीटर की हाइट के तो रॉकी सरफेस मिलेंगे. रॉक्स inside the Sahara desert, rock surface like this, and height of the rocky surface 2500 meter high in Sahara desert. And Sahara desert extend in 11 countries, which name given in your book. Sahara desert is mostly Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, and Morocco, Niger, Sudan. So these are the countries which comes under the Sahara desert. I am repeating the name of the different nations like Egypt, Chad, Morocco, Libya, Sudan, Mali are part of Sahara Desert. In Sahara Desert, most rocky surface also found in the Sahara Desert areas. And there is the one interesting fact given in your book regarding the Sahara Desert. Today, you know, Sahara Desert is mostly covered by the sand dunes. So earlier it was not desert. In this, you know, there was the green trees are found in Sahara Desert, green grasses were found, and it no through the cave painting. Cave मतलब क्या होता है? You know, caves होती है, गुफाएं, caves. अब inside the caves जो paintings मिली है, inside the caves those are painting found by the historians. So in this they show the different type crocodile, snake, cobras are found in that, cattle, sheep, goats are found in that area. तो अलियर वी कैन से कि जहाँ भी डेजर्ट है अलियर में भी पार्ट ऑफ ओशियन, कभी ओशियन रहा होगा यहाँ पे, और मे बी द एवरग्रीन रहे होंगे. बट ड्यू टू द क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन हैज चेंज, जो और पीरियड ये क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन में जो चेंजेज हुआ है, तो इसकी वजह से सच पार्ट इज चेंजेस इनटू द डेजर्ट पार्ट. तो climatic condition play the important role. It will take the thousands of lakh of years. Not it happens with sudden. It may be take a lot of time. Through the climatic condition, Sahara Desert changed into the Sahara. Earlier it was the green or like a different grasses, crocodiles, snakes, fish are found in that. तो इनसाइड द सैंड ड्यून्स, बहुत सी बार सैंड ड्यून्स में फिश बॉन्स मिलते हैं इनसाइड सारा डेजर्ट. लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्लाइमेट. अब यू नो डेजर्ट है तो क्लाइमेट विल बी हॉट, शॉर्ट रेनी सीजन, बहुत रेयर केस में रेन होगी, शॉर्ट रेनी सीजन इन सारा डेजर्ट, हॉट क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस इनसाइड द सारा डेजर्ट. तो ड्यूरिंग द डे टेम्परेचर अप्रोक्सीमेटली 50 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ड्यूरिंग द डे जो टेम्परेचर होता है वो 50 डिग्री सेल्सियस चला जाता है ड्यूरिंग द डे, और ड्यूरिंग द नाइट 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस. यानी सी द वेरिएशन बिटवीन द डे एंड नाइट टेम्परेचर 50 डिग्री. ड्यूरिंग द नाइट 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस, टू मच कोल्ड, यू नो 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस. नाउ डेज आर टेम्परेचर इज रनिंग अप्रोक्सीमेटली 3 डिग्री. तो हमें 3 डिग्री में इतना कोल्ड फील होता है ड्यूरिंग द नाइट. तो इन सारा डेजर्ट ड्यूरिंग द समर 0 डिग्री अप्रोक्सीमेटली, ड्यूरिंग द नाइट 0 डिग्री चला जाता है, एंड ड्यूरिंग द नाइट डे 50 डिग्री सेल्सियस. तो वेरिएशन बिटवीन द डे एंड नाइट टेम्परेचर इज 50 डिग्री सेल्सियस. तो यू नो ड्यू टू डेट स्कंटी वेजिटेशंस आर फाउंड. बहुत रेयर केस में वेजिटेशंस मिलते हैं इन दैट एरिया, एंड वेयर द सम पार्ट में बी द वाटर. तो oasis grasses are found. Of what are the oasis grasses? You know, if you are seeing inside the desert, so oasis are found inside the desert. Okay, dear. Such type of vegetations are found. Such type of scenario may be found inside the desert, which have the water or maybe like that area. And this area is known as the oasis in Sahara Desert. Oases are found in Sahara Desert. You know this term you also study in the science also. So you know such type of vegetations are found. You know palm trees are found in that area. Small grasses are found. Small vegetations are found due to the less rainfall. So such type of stinky vegetation, eucalyptus, are found in the Sahara Desert. And during the 1922. There was the world record in Sahara Desert. There is the one place it is given in your, do you know, Al Ajijia, a place in Sahara Desert. Al Ajijia, a place in Sahara Desert where the 57.7 degrees Celsius temperature is recorded in 1922. 1922 में यहाँ का highest temperature 57.7 degrees Celsius is recorded. So you know this type of vegetations are found in Sahara Desert. Mostly eucalyptus, palm trees are found, small grasses are found, and mostly which type of wildlife are found. Camel are normally found in that area. Camel are, you know, sheep of desert also. Camel को sheep of desert कहा जाता है. तो camel are found in the Sahara Desert. Mostly the jackals, foxes, and scorpio also found in that area. In Sahara Desert, snakes are common in that area. And lizards are found in Sahara Desert. So these are the different wildlife which are found in the Sahara Desert. Next is the people. People in Sahara Desert. So early time, most of tribal are living in Sahara Desert. Tribal peoples, Adivasis, they are living and they have no such earning sources. So sometimes they rear the cattle, or maybe scenario has changed in Sahara Desert. So most of people where the water is easily available, they grow the Egyptian cotton inside that area. Egyptian cotton is world famous cotton. Egypt में जो cotton grow होती है, due to the brightness of sun, due to the brightness, high temperature, cotton quality is the white and the light weighted cotton are found in that area. Some areas are grow the crops where the water is easily available in that area. Sahara climate has changed in some part only where the climate has changed, or maybe the people has changed their occupations. So Sahara Desert where the oil producer area, Libya or such country are located, where the oil producer oil easily found in that area in desert. So oil producer nations a chain there, we can say that in Sahara Desert multi-story building, glasses building inside the Sahara Desert are common normally in Libya, and highways are developed for means of transport. हाईवे बढ़ा दिए गए टू कनेक्ट विद द पोर्ट और डिफरेंट continent, and highways are developed in Sahara Desert where the we can see easily truck or like different transport are common in Sahara Desert. And Sahara Desert inside the different national park has developed, sanctuaries has developed, or through these sanctuaries and national park there are the many tourists is give the scope for the tourism बहुत ज़्यादा डेवलप है वहाँ का, टूरिस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा डेवलप है where the foreign tourists they visit the Sahara Desert, and more nomadics herdsmen taking the city life. They have changed their life from the tribal or rural area to the city life, and they are doing the work inside the petroleum producer industries, or they are doing their work inside the mines and in gas operation where the gas are found. So these are the introduction of Sahara Desert we have discussed here. Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert, I am repeating again, extent area of Sahara Desert 8.54 million square kilometer. If we compare to the India size is 3.28 only. And Chad, Algeria, Morocco, Sudan, Libya are part of the Sahara Desert. In Sahara Desert, the temperature 50 degrees Celsius, during the night 0 degrees Celsius, and a temperature recorded during the 1922 57.7 degrees Celsius in Algeria. And oceans type of vegetations are found in the Sahara Desert, and people have changed their life. Earlier time, most of people they were living in Sahara Desert, so their earning sources only the cattle, and they maybe grow the cotton in that area. And sometimes they wear the heavy robes. Heavy robes means the like a such clothes. They also wear the heavy robes to protect the from hot winds. जो hot wind वहाँ पे चलते हैं उससे उनको protection मिलता है. तो there is the one question given in your exercise, give reason कि why they wear the heavy robes in Sahara Desert. Those people who are living in Sahara Desert, so wear the heavy robes to protection due to the hot storms and dust storms and hot wind. जो dust storms चलते हैं वहाँ पे आंधियाँ चलती है and the hot wind उससे उनको protection मिलता है. That's why they wear the heavy robes clothes. So this is the introduction we have discussed here the Sahara Desert. In next lecture we will discuss about the Ladakh Desert. Mostly our India have the two types of desert. One is the hot desert, that is Thar Desert, and Great Indian Desert. Thar Desert also known by the Great Indian Desert. Another one we will discuss about the cold desert. So we will discuss cold desert in next lecture about those located in the Kargil and Jammu Kashmir Ladakh desert here. So now we have completed the lecture of the Sahara Desert, and Sahara Desert have changed their life nowadays. Multi-story building we can see inside the, and different glass building, different offices are running inside the Sahara Desert. Some nations are producing the oil and gas. That's why the Sahara Desert life has changed. Many nomadics have separated in towns in search of job, and they settle in that area. So Sahara Desert life has changed here. So we have discussed Sahara Desert.